Hello, and welcome to Academic Support's overview for getting help with your schoolwork. To make the content in this video more accessible, click the Closed Captions button or adjust the playback speed. This video is intended to be a brief overview. For more details on each service, see this video's description. Once you decide you want help with your schoolwork, here's how you can access academic support. From Brightspace, first make sure you are inside your course. Then click Academic Support on the top navigation bar. You can also find us by going to My SNHU and clicking the quick link, Accessing Academic Support Resources. Our page will be right at the top, and once inside, you can scroll down and click the quick link, Access Online Academic Support Now. Inside the Academic Support Center, you can read announcements about featured services, holiday hours, and other important updates, and this is also the page where you can find all of our services. Click Academic Resource Center to access the Academic Resource Center, or ARC. The ARC is a vast, searchable collection of resources where you can learn about everything from research to stats to getting organized. Simply search the course or skill you want guidance in and browse our ever-growing offerings. If you're wondering who makes the resources in the ARC, you can thank our Learning Support Specialist team. These learning professionals also host workshops and office hours. Workshops and office hours are group experiences designed to bring learners together to strengthen content and academic skills with academic support staff facilitation. These sessions encourage your participation and attention, and if you sign up for a session but cannot make it in person, you can sign up anyway and find the recording under My Account. 24/7 drop-in tutoring is accessible at all times for most subject areas. Use the drop-down menus to access a tutor via chat. Some tutors can also speak live with audio at your request, but this option isn't always available. Generally, chat with audio is available 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. EST in most content areas. Submit your written work, journals, papers, discussions, and more, and get it back with written feedback within 12 hours. Use the feedback form to help your tutor focus on your concerns. You will get a confirmation email when your feedback is ready, and you can retrieve it at the bottom of the written feedback page where you dropped it off. Academic coaches are available for long-term relationship-based support around academic skills like time management, navigating learning differences, staying organized, and getting motivated. If you have been out of school for some time or want to master the skill set of being a successful student, click Academic Coaching today. To enter a scheduled session, simply re-enter the Academic Support Center and click Launch on the scheduled meeting banner. In this video, we have discussed access points and announcements, the Academic Resource Center, or ARC, workshops and office hours, 24/7 tutoring and written feedback, and scheduled one-on-one support via academic coaching. For more academic support resources, read this video's description or visit the ARC. Thank you for watching. We hope to work with you soon.